Hi class, the lesson addition and number developed today on is to start run away. Everyone pay attention. 8
I will do plus
10
I will do equal
18 13
I will do plus
1
I will do equal
14 6
I will do plus
9
I will do equal
15 14
I will do plus
15
I will do equal
29 11
I will do plus
14
I will do equal
25 2
I will do plus
11
I will do equal
13 16
I will do plus
9
I will do equal
25 10
I will do plus
5
I will do equal
15 9
I will do plus
20
I will do equal
29 16
I will do plus
10
I will do equal
26 2
I will do plus
17
I will do equal
19 13
I will do plus
10
I will do equal
23 9
I will do plus
2
I will do equal
11 7
I will do plus
20
I will do equal
27 1
I will do plus
7
I will do equal
8 17
I will do plus
11
I will do equal
28 2
I will do plus
15
I will do equal
17 15
I will do plus
14
I will do equal
29 19
I will do plus
9
I will do equal
28 10
I will do plus
6
I will do equal
16 5
I will do plus
17
I will do equal
22 19
I will do plus
5
I will do equal.
24. 5.
I will do plus.
14.
I will do equal.
19. 17.
I will do plus.
16.
I will do equal.
33. 1.
I will do plus.
12.
I will do equal.
13. 7.
I will do plus.
16.
I will do equal.
23. 9.
I will do plus.
17.
I will do equal.
26. 16.
I will do plus.
20.
I will do equal.
36. 1.
I will do plus.
1.
I will do equal.
2. Gì are so easy. Do you know? Eight.
I will do plus.
20.
I will do equal.
28. 6.
I will do plus.
12.
I will do equal.
18. 5.
I will do plus.
8.
I will do equal.
13. 9.
I will do plus.
5.
I will do equal.
14. 3.
I will do plus.
14.
I will do equal.
17. 17.
I will do plus.
14.
I will do equal.
31. Now the lesson is stop. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.